To install Zoom, search for Zoom install for Windows and click the link. And here you can see Zoom desktop client, and click on download to download the installer. And here you can see the installer. Double click on the installer to install the Zoom. It is installing, and the installation is successful. Click on done. Open Zoom. There are two options are there: join in a meeting, sign in. Click on join in meeting, and here you have to provide meeting ID or personal name. Click on sign in. Here you can see the various options to sign into Zoom. Click on sign up to create a new account.